Mr. Charudatta, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
So we are really proud of you being our Pune classroom coaching student, mechanical engineering. So tell me briefly about yourself.
Sir, I am Charudatta Sanke. I am from Karad city, which is located in Satara district in Maharashtra.
Okay. What are your parents?
My parents both are government servants in primary school.
Okay.
My father is retired and my mom is still doing her duty as a primary teacher.
Okay. What is your strategy for cracking prelims first, then mains, then interest? Any sequence can you explain?
Sir, my strategy is I focused more on problem solving first
Okay.
and being very crystal clear about the concept and then
Hmm.
problem solving. And one more thing, an important thing for all the students, I can say that continuous revision program which I went through. I had uh, revision. I would revise the things at least for 1 hour, 1 hour daily for the preparation.
Have you written GATE exam earlier?
Yes, sir. I was a the 40th grade ranker in grade
Excellent,
2020.
excellent. Okay. So, according to you, what is the difference between preparation for GATE and engineering services?
Sir, actually, sir, for engineering service, we can uh, compare only on the basis of engineering service pre and the gate examination. In that case, ESC exams pre is more about the factual things. You have to
Okay.
remember the more things. And for gate, you have to be more clear about the concepts and all that. More clear about the conceptual. You have to strong in technical field. And I can slightly correlate about the ESC mains exam with gate examination because once you will be able to appear for the ENC mains exam, you can do good in ESC mains. You can definitely do good in GATE examination.
Yeah, even I can add one point. GATE is only one paper. If something goes wrong, you are washed
That,
out. But in engineering services, you have a scope because prelims you have two papers, mains two papers. Even if you perform little bit less in any one paper, you can manage in other papers. Very good. So, with respect to interview, Mr. Charudatta, how much time you have spent in the interview board?
around 25 minutes to 30 minutes I spent.
25 minutes. How was the interview and what were the main areas in which they have focused?
So first of all, when I went inside the room, they tried to make me more comfortable by asking about the some normal things about the native place, about other food habits, and that. Then they started from the depth. They asked me about
Yeah.
my hobbies, and 5 to 10 minutes we were discussing on about habits. Then technical discussion started in that part mainly about production and material science they focus more in interview.
Production and material science.
And
So, have you done your MTech?
no sir, I haven't done, but I am currently working in BRC.
Why they have switched to production? Any criteria? Have you said that
So
it is your favorite subject?
no sir, they didn't ask me about my favorite subject. They
Hmm.
directly started from production and specifically from welding they started.
See, any questions about your native place or with respect to your hobbies? Any questions they
uh,
asked?
Yes, about native place, they ask about what kind of snacks you prefer at your native places. Tell
Hmm.
something about that. This kind of question were only for making me comfortable in the interview panel.
Okay, to
And
make you
about how,
comfortable.
and I mentioned my hobby as a reading books. So they asked me which kind of books you read and tell something about the recent books you read. And 5 to 10 minutes discussion were on that.
Okay, is it your first attempt or second attempt?
So no, sir. This is my third attempt for interview. I applied
Okay.
for 3 times
Okay,
to the
good.
interview.
Nothing wrong. So, how you have changed your preparation strategy or preparation style from first attempt to this third attempt? How you have modified your preparation?
During first attempt, even if I was appeared for interview, I think I will say I was immaturely went there. Then I improved style of appearing in prelims and changed focus more on problem solving and previous year question paper solving. And in that way, I improved. But because my interview didn't go well last time, I improved more on that thing in this attempt.
So in the prelims, see, calculators are not allowed, but I know generally in mechanical paper, there will be
Yes,
some
sir.
question where calculator is required. What is your way of attacking those problems where calculator is actually required but not available?
Sir, these things will come by only practice, and we don't need to uh, go through accurate answers and accurate. We have to do it fast, and just little bit error can be accepted there. We can tell from options that this will be the answer. Speed, and you have to improve in your calculations. That's for that you have to remember the tables, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots, some numerical aptitude part. You have to be strong.
People say that you should practice Vedic mathematics or some special practice sessions you have to do. Anything you have done to solve
Uh,
the problems without calculator?
no, sir, I haven't done like that. But whatever teachers taught in numerical aptitude class, some
Hmm.
methods from there I used to solve calculations. Not special methods I
No,
use,
no
but
special study.
no,
See,
no.
what
But
about this general studies paper? You have 100 questions, 200 marks. No? So,
yes.
have you made any special preparation for general studies?
Yes, I focused more on about the static part from general question like material science, project management, design and drawing, math,
Because
etc.
mechanically,
Yes,
for mechanical students, these are the favorite
yes, yes, yes,
subjects.
yes.
Yes, yes.
And in these areas, you can answer correctly from 60 to 70% questions, and that are
Yeah, yeah.
sufficient.
What happened with respect to ICT, ethics, like that?
Sir, I studied that, but not in deep. Like if
Not
some
in
part
depth. Yes,
if some
yes.
part is missing, then it's okay. I will focus more on technical and that static part from GS.
Okay, you
I
mean
don't.
to say that wherever you are comfortable, you
Yes,
attack
yes,
like anything.
yes, yes.
Okay, very good, very good. So coming to the mains, you have how you practiced this answer writing. Means a question come answer booklet. Na? Have you practiced anything
Yes, yes,
special?
yes, sir. I practiced it, and during this months, I got very much benefit from mains test series. I practiced it. I given most of the tests, and from that, I kept myself improving from each test to another test. From whatever mistakes I made in last test, I try to don't make repeat it in next test. That's how I improve, and I also focused on solving last year questions, at least 10 years mains questions. And during last 15 days of the before the mains paper, I solved last 4 years test papers as if it is all actually going on.
Have you prepared any short notes? Sharp
Uh,
notes.
yes, I prepared short notes for the formulas, and for the formulas mainly. I prepared short
Hmm.
notes. Other things, conceptual things, you can write on
So,
your.
what is your experience with the faculty of ACE Engineering Academy, particularly
Yes,
Pune, those who have taught you?
yes, sir. ACE Engineering faculty is very supportive, and all the ACE Engineering family is being very supportive to me from whole of my journey. Uh, some teachers I can tell them about it is Dev sir, and
Dev sir. Okay.
yes, yes,
Okay.
and uh, there are many faculties. I have means being conceptually clear and strong in basic. I have benefited from ACE Engineering a lot, and in other parts also during main stage series and other
Hmm.
uh,
Very good.
essay engineering supported me a lot.
So, what is your suggestion to the guys who are going to appear for the prelims in the coming July? Now
Uh,
you have hardly 3 months time. Any suggestions from your side?
yes, sir. Even if it is a minimum time is now running off, you should not take stress. You just keep revising the things more and more, and just keep solving the question papers, previous year question papers more, and don't miss any test series of the pre.
How many times you have revised the previous questions?
I don't
Are they really
remember.
helpful? Are
Yes,
they
yes.
really helpful? Previous
The previous
questions?
year question papers give actual idea about the exam. May have solved it about 7 to 8 times.
What is your suggestion to those who are pursuing final year BTech or third year BTech, but they are aiming for engineering services?
Yes, if they will start from this point, they will easily clear after getting graduate from next year, because you will be having a lot of things, lot of material there available for your preparation, and you will set your aim earlier. It will be beneficial for you.
Okay, congratulations. Convey our regards from the faculty team of ACE Engineering Academy, Hyderabad, Pune, everybody, to your parents, and God bless you for a better future. Bye.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, yes, family.
Thank you.